Hey guys, today I'm going to do some clay.
Finally. Yeah, that's why I didn't use that part.
Push the thing up and you... I don't know what I'm making yet. I think I'm making a cook. I'm making a face. It looks like a pumpkin right now. So I'm gonna make it. Oh, there. It's tricky doing a mouth. Now let's do it. This and I there, we're done. Just need to stick it. Okay, done. We're on the sculpture. So now I'm gonna paint the whole thing. You see? Look like it's right now. Of these, to get these colors in it, you see? There's pink, like very sparkly pink, very sparkly blue, very sparkly, like pearl kind of white, and then a very, very, very golden. Yeah, golden. Make sure you don't really mix the colors, like I forgot. Once, see my cat? It's like that, painted outside, and then you get to sort of paint. I made this bag when I was 8 years old. I think this time I do. And I just need to do a very dark color for over the hearts. Eyes like this. And eyebrows.